Hi everyone, my name is Neil Mahesh Kumar Patel and I am currently studying at CQ University. I started this internship at CQ University under the guidance of Dr. Prasad Gurimedla, who is the manager for this internship, and the unit coordinator is Dr. Sarkar Noor Khuda. This is the overview of the presentation what I have did in this internship. So first is the organization overview. Second is the structure of the organization. Then the objectives of the internship, what I objective I follow during this internship, my roles and responsibilities during this internship, then application of the engineering knowledge, standard course of practice and legislative requirements, health and safety policy, and personal development and achievements, and then conclusion. So this is the overview of my organization. So I started my internship at CQ University. So basically it is a simulated work, integrated learning, and I started this internship under the guidance of Dr. Prasad Gurimidla. He helped me during this internship to achieve my results for this project. So I started this internship at 6th of April and finished at on 6th of June. So it's a good experience by working in the internship under Dr. Prasad Gudimetla. So this is the structure of my organization. We are five students currently worked under Dr. Prasad Gudimetla and Raghavendra Vasudev Upadhyay in this internship. Me and Hardik are the mechanical interns, and the other three students from civil engineering are Pauravir Singh, Kushal Gupta, and Vandan Patel. Everyone has different projects ongoing. So, every week, we had a Zoom meeting with Dr. Prasad and Raghavendra to share our project progress and get some updates on the projects and some feedback also. So everyone will discuss the project progress in the Zoom meeting through the PowerPoint presentation. And after that, there is a Q&A session that everyone asks some questions to the presenter and receive some feedback from Dr. Prasad and Raghavendra that about the project. And also after the meeting, we everyone gets a different task for the rest next week. So it is a very good structure that there is a weekly meeting and it will really help to communicate with our manager about the project progress and receive some feedback on that. So these are the objectives for my internship. So I have to I did a complete study on the drug dispenser. I did literature search to understand how the drug dispenser works. Then I did a complete study on the working principle of the drug dispenser, and I have studied the different components that are used in the drug dispenser and the sensors that are used for some purpose like pill detection and human detection, like to make its operation automatic. And for the next is I have to generate a 3D design model as per the task I given by Dr. Prasad. So I have created a 3D design model of the drug dispenser by using SolidWorks, and I also created a engineering sketches showing all the dimensions by using SolidWorks for the different parts like container and the whole assembly and the dispensing drawer. So my other main objective is the do a regular Zoom meeting with Dr. Prasad to share the project progress and receive some feedback about having any difficulties. And I have to communicate with Dr. Prasad about regularly via Zoom meeting or emails or phone call. Roles and responsibilities in this internship. So I have to first understand the components and the working of the drug dispenser. Then I have to do a literature review. Then I have to do a regular meeting with Dr. Prasad about the project progress and receive some feedback on that. So every student have to do a Zoom meeting with Dr. Prasad on regularly, and we have to show our work during Zoom meeting. So I did work on the smart drug dispenser design. So I worked on the SolidWorks and created the design model of the drug dispenser with the dimension, and I have to complete all the tasks that I given by Dr. Prasad on time. So it is the requirement by Dr. Prasad. Application of engineering knowledge. During this internship, I got a very good opportunity to enhance my engineering knowledge. So for this internship, I got a project on the smart drug dispenser. So for that, I have to create a 3D design according to the dimensions that are required for the 3D printer available at CQ University. So Dr. Prasad wanted to 3D print some components of the drug dispenser. So I have scaled this model as per the dimensions capacity of the 3D printer available at CQ University. So I used the SolidWorks to create a design, and also I did the study about the sensors that are used in the dispenser, like ultrasonic sensor or infrared sensor, so that we can use in the drug dispenser to make the operation automatic. And it is a very good experience to work in this internship to enhance the engineering knowledge. uh, by this internship, I learned so many things that we can be helpful in my professional engineering career about the designing knowledge, and it will it will be very helpful to work in the professional environment. Standard codes of practice and legislative requirements. During this internship, I followed Australian standards AS1100 for the technical drawings and the design. I followed Pharmacy Board Australia and Medical Board Australia guidelines for the medication handling. And for the safe workplace environment, I followed CQ OHS policies. Health and safety is very important at the workplace. Basically, I did this internship by working at home. So here is the evidence of the working from home. So I worked in the very safe environment during this internship. Personal development and achievements. During this internship, I developed my technical, non-technical, verbal, and professional communication skills by doing regular Zoom meetings and in contact with Dr. Prasad. So I learned about the working in a professional environment in this internship, and I got a chance to work on the design software during this internship, and it will help in my future career, so that I can be very easily understand how the professional engineering environment works in Australia, and it will help in my career. To conclude this presentation, it is a very good experience by doing this internship at CQ University of Australia. And I learned so many things in the internship that will help in my professional career. I have a very good experience of how the professional environment works in Australia, and I got a chance in the working of on the engineering software during this internship, and I also learn about the communication with the stakeholders by doing this internship, and it will help in my engineering uh, field, so that I can easily communicate with the different stakeholders in my engineering career. Thank you for your time and patience for this presentation.